Nut butters have become increasingly popular in recent years as people discover the health benefits and versatility they offer. Whether it's almond butter, peanut butter, or cashew butter, these delicious spreads are packed with nutrients and can be easily incorporated into your daily meals. In this video, we'll explore why nut butters are a healthy choice, the best types to try, and how you can effortlessly add them to your diet. Nut butters are loaded with essential nutrients including healthy fats, protein, vitamins, and minerals. The fats in nut butters, particularly unsaturated fats, are beneficial for heart health. These fats can help reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, while increasing good cholesterol, HDL. Moreover, nut butters are an excellent source of plant-based protein, which supports muscle growth, tissue repair, and overall body function. Rich in nutrients, nut butters are high in vitamin E, magnesium, and antioxidants, which are known to promote heart health, reduce inflammation, and support the immune system. For vegetarians and vegans, nut butters are an easy and tasty way to boost protein intake. They are also an ideal post-workout snack that helps with muscle recovery. Nut butters also contain fiber, which aids in digestion and helps keep you feeling full for longer, reducing overeating and supporting weight management. For more health tips and nutritional insights, make sure to like and subscribe to Health Calc for regular updates. There are several types of nut butters available, each with its own unique flavor and nutritional profile. Here are some of the most popular and healthy options. Peanut butter is one of the most popular nut butters, rich in protein, healthy fats, and vitamins. It's affordable and widely available, making it a staple in many households. Choose natural peanut butter with no added sugar or hydrogenated oils for the best health benefits. Almond butter is a fantastic alternative to peanut butter, offering more vitamins and minerals like vitamin E and magnesium. It has a slightly sweeter and milder flavor, making it perfect for spreading on toast, adding to smoothies, or using as a dip for fruits and veggies. Cashew butter is creamy and has a subtle sweetness that pairs well with both savory and sweet dishes. It is lower in fat compared to other nut butters, but still offers a good amount of protein and essential nutrients. Hazelnut butter, while often associated with sweet spreads like Nutella, plain hazelnut butter is packed with healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. It has a rich, slightly sweet flavor and can be a great addition to smoothies or desserts. Mixed nut butters are blends of different nuts, offering a diverse range of nutrients and flavors. They often combine almonds, peanuts, cashews, and even seeds like flax or chia for added nutrition. Easy ways to add nut butters to your diet. Incorporating nut butters into your meals is incredibly simple and can make your food both healthier and tastier. Here are some ideas. Spread on toast or crackers. One of the simplest ways to enjoy nut butter is by spreading it on whole grain toast or crackers. Top it with sliced bananas, strawberries, or a drizzle of honey for added flavor and nutrients. Smoothies. Add a spoonful of almond or peanut butter to your smoothie for extra creaminess and a boost of protein. Nut butters pair well with ingredients like bananas, oats, and cocoa powder. Baking nut butters can be used in baking as a healthier alternative to butter or oil. You can add them to cookies, brownies, or muffins to increase the nutritional value and add a nutty flavor. Dips and sauces. Use nut butters as a base for making healthy dips or sauces. For example, mix peanut butter with soy sauce, ginger, and garlic for a delicious peanut sauce that pairs perfectly with stir-fried veggies or noodles. Oatmeal topping. Swirl a spoonful of your favorite nut butter into warm oatmeal for a creamy, nutritious start to your day. It adds healthy fats and protein, keeping you full longer. To discover more creative and nutritious recipes, don't forget to like and subscribe to Health Calc for exciting updates. What to look for when buying nut butters. When shopping for nut butters, it's essential to choose products with minimal ingredients. Many commercial nut butters contain added sugars, oils, and preservatives that can diminish their health benefits. Here are a few tips. Look for natural nut butters. Choose nut butters that list only nuts and salt as ingredients. Avoid those with added sugars, oils, or artificial ingredients. Check the consistency. Some natural nut butters may separate, with the oil rising to the top. This is normal and can be easily remedied by stirring the butter before use. Consider allergies. If you or someone in your household has a nut allergy, consider alternatives like sunflower seed butter or tahini, which offer similar nutritional benefits. Incorporating nut butters into your diet is an easy and delicious way to boost your intake of healthy fats, protein, and essential nutrients. Whether you spread it on toast, mix it into a smoothie, or use it in cooking, nut butters are a versatile and nutritious addition to any meal plan. So why not start today and enjoy all the benefits nut butters have to offer? For more health tips and nutritional advice, don't forget to like and subscribe to Health Calp for weekly updates on how to live a healthier, happier life.